Hi, this is Ty Hyderali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer who concentrates on employment law in New Jersey and New York, and we have offices in Montclair, New Jersey. So, speaking of New Jersey, being a leader amongst progressive states, I guess it depends what your vantage point on the subject matter is, has legalized marijuana usage for those over the age of 21, joining other states such as Colorado, which leads to some very interesting employment questions with regard to the recreational use of marijuana in the workplace. So prior to this change that just kicked into place with the last vote, marijuana, only medical marijuana was permissible in New Jersey, and there was a case, Wild versus Funeral Homes, in March of 2020, where the court ruled that if an employee discriminated against an individual due to their medical marijuana prescription, that's a violation of the law against discrimination. There's not yet, of course, been any ruling on what happens if someone utilizes legal marijuana in the state of New Jersey. Interestingly enough, there was a case in Colorado, the Coates case, which was in 2015, where the court ruled that an employer can terminate or discipline an employee for the recreational use of marijuana, even though it was legalized in Colorado at the time. This has not yet been ruled upon in New Jersey to see how that fact pattern will play out. Even where medical marijuana was legalized, the court still ruled that employers can discipline employees for the usage of marijuana on the workplace where the utilization of the drugs may impair their abilities to perform their job functions. So there's going to be some cases that will have to play out, probably all the way up to the New Jersey Supreme Court, on the subject matter of what happens now when someone legally uses marijuana even though it's not medically prescribed. So some very interesting cases will come out of the subject matter in the years to come. This is Ty Hyderali. Be safe and be well.